Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are gonna unbox the Fashion Angels 20 Fashion Angels of October 2020. So we're gonna this month's Fashion Angels box. So let's open it. Let's get started. Okay. So let's open it. Ooh. First thing we have. We have more of those cute clay things.
Cheeseburgers.
I like it. I like if they can make them out of clay. They're so cool. These are so cute. 100 extra small cheeseburger and fries. Easy peasy. Mini clay kit. This is so cute. Okay. What's this? What is this? Oh, is it a bath bomb?
This is a pumpkin bath bomb.
Ooh.
It's slimy. It's a slimy bath burst pumpkin bath bomb.
That's so cool.
Nice. Tomorrow.
Let's see what else we have. Ooh. I could be a deer with flowers on my hair.
Nice. We'll put that on ready for Mom gets home.
Okay. I forget what these are. Oh, I forgot.
It's a brush and makeup mirror.
I know, guys. If you don't have any of these, it's so cool. You can brush your hair and look at yourself on the mirror. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go find out what else we have. More bracelets. Wow, I have so many bracelets from this. We're gonna get this cool notebook.
Oh, you have a lot of those too.
Yeah, I do. These notebooks are so fun.
You can.
Notepad. Woo! Have this book. Like it's covered
It's a sticker. It's a
covered in
sticker
plastic.
lookbook. Oh, you can like dress them up.
Yeah, like you can dress this up. This is so cool.
Oh.
And like,
You can do your math homework in this, so.
yeah, but I can't open it. It's kind of a plastic. Ooh, look at this.
Oh, that's a pretty bird.
I like this. This is like my favorite design. Is this making you hypnotize? Is anything else?
Whoa.
Super cool.
Interesting.
Interesting.
You put all your stuff in there.
Wow.
Oh, I'll go put this on your hot tub and wait.
Okay. Hayden. Okay. So.
This is a slimy pumpkin bath bomb.
Hayden, look. I got this. Another one of these that you like.
Yeah.
So, channel will hit my dad's channel and Hayden's channel will be.
We can
in the
make hamburgers?
description.
We can make anything. So we got something with
Guys,
tacos that we can make.
Make sure to check out the video that Hayden did on his channel, the one he was trying to get when he was searching his Mario box. We got boxes both.
Link in the description for that video.
And subscribe to my dad's channel, Cincy Fishies, and all.
And another link in the description.
And more link. Why is my nose so itchy? Okay. Okay, well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And make sure to subscribe to these channels down below. And hope you guys enjoy. Bye!
Bye!